Friday Shade Reading Hipsters, you know what that means. We got some comprehension questions. We have some different questions that I want you to do on your own. That means grab a whiteboard, grab a piece of paper, grab a marker, grab a cardboard box, whatever you can write on so that you can take these little worksheets with me today. Don't forget, you can always go back in the story. It's in the comments. So if you need to go back to the story to answer the questions, look in the comments. Happy Friday. We're going to fill in the punctuation at the end of the sentences. When we fill in the punctuation, we want to think, is this sentence asking a question? Is it saying a statement? Or is it saying something exciting? Let's start with number 1. Where did you sprain your ankle? Where did you sprain your ankle? At the end of the sentence, we need to have a what. Is it asking a question, making a statement, or saying something exciting? Where did you sprain your ankle? It's asking a question. Good. And what word do we know? Where's our question word here? It's right there. Where? Good job. Number 2, how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Is this asking a question, making a statement, or saying something exciting? It's good, asking a question. And again, where is our question word? Where's our question word? Good job. How? How many? I'm going to go ahead and underline many too because we want to know how many. Boy, that does not look good. Sorry about that, Kipsters. Number 3, when did you go to the hospital? When did you go to the hospital? That's another question. And where's that question word? When. Good job. Who is helping you learn science? Who is helping you learn science? We need to have a question mark at the end. Good job. And what's the question word? Who. Now you get to make 2 sentences all by yourself that are using this question mark, Kipsters. We want to ask 2 more questions. Can you do that on your own? Go ahead and do that at this time. And pause the video until you have it done. You need a piece of paper and a pencil or something to write on, a whiteboard, whatever's easiest. Now you're going to go ahead and answer this, and then I'll go through and we'll go over it after you've answered all the questions. Number 1, how are the jobs of a search and rescue worker and a doctor alike? How are the jobs of a search and rescue worker and a doctor alike? Is it A, they both find people who are lost? B, they both help people? C, they both drive an ambulance. How are they alike? Go ahead and pick your answer. Number 2, how was Goldie the dog able to find the boy? How was Goldie the dog able to find the boy? A, Goldie found the boy because she heard him crying. B, Goldie found the boy because she knew what he smelled like from smelling his jacket. Or C, Goldie found the boy because she saw him fall. Goldie found the boy because she saw him fall. Pick your best answer. 3, why did the team put the boy on a stretcher? Why did the team put the boy on a stretcher? Is it A, the boy hurt his ankle and couldn't walk? B, the boy always wanted to ride on a stretcher? Or C, the boy was angry and couldn't walk? Why was he on a stretcher? Number 4, because the boy's hurt ankle was big, the ambulance man blank. The ambulance man A, took an x-ray of the boy's ankle. The ambulance man lifted the boy's ankle in the air. The ambulance man put something around the boy's ankle to protect it. Now this one you might need to look back in the story. Because the boy's ankle was big, the ambulance man blank took an x-ray of the boy's ankle, lifted the boy's ankle in the air, or put something around the boy's ankle to protect it. Number 5, which of the following words describes a painful hurt ankle? A, sprain, B, rescue, C, stretcher. And lastly, write about a time when you helped someone else. Who needed help? How did you help that person? Now, this one's one that you can come back to after we fill out the answers. Go ahead and pause this video if you haven't filled in all the answers yet. Let's go ahead and go through and check this together. Try to get a different colored marker or crayon. Number 1, how are the jobs of search and rescue worker and a doctor alike? The answer is B. They both help people. 2, how was Goldie the dog able to find the boy? She was able to find the boy because she smelled his jacket and she used her sense of smell. So Goldie found the boy because she knew what he smelled like from smelling his jacket. Good job. 3, why did the team put the boy on a stretcher? They put the boy on the stretcher because the boy couldn't walk. He was hurt. His ankle was hurt. A. Number 4, because the boy's hurt ankle was big, the ambulance man, C, put something around it to protect it. If you look back in the story, it's the balloon thing. Put a balloon thing around his ankle. And number 5, which of the following words describes a painful hurt ankle? A sprain. Good job. Now don't forget to do this one down here. Thanks, Skipsters. You guys are awesome. Send this picture to your teacher.